When it comes to home renovation, every detail matters. From the paint on the walls to the furniture in the living room, each element plays a crucial role in transforming a house into a home. Among these elements, lighting stands out as one of the most powerful tools to enhance the ambiance, functionality, and aesthetics of your space. That's where Astoria Lighting Co. Frisco comes in. As a leading lighting supplier in the area, Astoria Lighting Co. offers an impressive selection of fixtures that not only brighten your home but also elevate its style. Here's why you should choose Astoria Lighting Co. Frisco for your next home renovation. Extensive selection of lighting styles. Whether you're renovating a contemporary urban loft or a cozy suburban bungalow, the lighting in your home should reflect your personal taste and complement your design vision. Astoria Lighting Co. understands that no two homes are alike, and that's why they offer a wide range of lighting styles to suit any decor. From sleek, modern fixtures to classic, timeless designs, their diverse collection ensures that you'll find something that fits your unique taste. The store features everything from chandeliers, pendant lights, and sconces to outdoor lighting solutions and ceiling fans. Expert guidance for every step of your renovation. One of the standout features of Astoria Lighting Co. Frisco is their team of knowledgeable lighting experts. Renovating your home can be overwhelming, and selecting the right lighting is crucial for setting the mood and ensuring the functionality of your space. The team at Astoria Lighting Co. is there to guide you every step of the way. They'll work with you to understand your vision, offer tailored advice, and help you choose lighting fixtures that meet both your aesthetic preferences and practical needs. Their personalized service ensures that your lighting choices complement the overall design of your home, making the process much easier and more enjoyable. High-quality, durable products. When you invest in lighting for your home, you want fixtures that will not only look good but last for years. Astoria Lighting Co. is committed to providing high-quality products that are built to stand the test of time. Their selection includes top-tier lighting brands known for their durability, craftsmanship, and innovative designs. Whether you're looking for a statement chandelier or practical recessed lighting, you can trust that Astoria Lighting Co. offers lighting solutions that will continue to perform beautifully throughout the years. Customized solutions to fit your needs. Every home renovation project comes with its own unique challenges, and lighting is no exception. Whether you're working with limited space, unusual architectural features, or specific energy efficiency requirements, Astoria Lighting Co. offers customized lighting solutions designed to meet your needs. They understand that your renovation project may require creative solutions, and their team is always ready to offer recommendations for custom lighting options that work for your space. From dimmer switches and smart lighting options to multifunctional fixtures, Astoria Lighting Co. can help you find the perfect lighting setup for your home. Affordable and transparent pricing. Home renovations can be expensive, and it's important to find lighting options that fit within your budget. Astoria Lighting Co. Frisco understands the financial aspect of home renovation and offers competitive pricing without compromising on quality. With a wide range of lighting options at various price points, you can find something that fits both your style and budget. Additionally, their transparent pricing ensures that there are no hidden fees or surprises, giving you peace of mind as you shop for the perfect lighting solutions. Superior customer service at Astoria Lighting Co. Frisco, customer satisfaction is their top priority. The team goes above and beyond to ensure that every client feels valued and supported throughout their renovation journey. From helping you choose the right lighting fixtures to offering post-purchase support, the staff is committed to providing an exceptional customer experience. Their friendly, professional approach ensures that your home renovation is as smooth and stress-free as possible. Convenient location and online shopping. Astoria Lighting Co. Frisco offers the perfect combination of in-person and online shopping convenience. With a centrally located showroom, you can visit and explore their lighting options firsthand, receiving expert guidance and personalized service. For those who prefer to shop from the comfort of their home, their easy-to-navigate online store allows you to browse their collection, order your fixtures, and have them delivered directly to your door. Conclusion. Lighting plays a pivotal role in any home renovation project, and choosing the right lighting supplier can make all the difference. Astoria Lighting Co. Frisco offers an impressive range of lighting options, expert guidance, and exceptional customer service, making them the ideal choice for your next home renovation. Whether you're looking for contemporary designs, classic fixtures, or energy-efficient solutions, Astoria Lighting Co. has the perfect lighting for your space. With their commitment to quality, affordability, and personalized service, you can trust them to help illuminate your vision and bring your home renovation dreams to life.